Hello guys, so I'm just going to be recapping this, like re-uploading this. It's I've gotten a new thing to do. It's these two are siblings, and this is her boyfriend, and this is his girlfriend. Yeah. So I'm just going to re-upload this and keep the intro short. I hope you guys remember their names. The ones that I introduced to you guys. But whatever. I'm just going to tell you guys anyway. Alright. Girl, wake up. It's literally the middle of the day. Gosh, I'm just tired because ugh, school stuff, you know. Yup, I know this is so tiring. But girl, we can't sleep in the middle of the day. Okay? Okay, I know. But anyway, I'm gonna put on some comfy clothes. We're going out to eat today. Alright. You get dressed. I'll get the boys. Alright. I think I'm just going to get my backpack downstairs. Alright. Guys, let's go to breakfast. Alright. My phone. Damn. Okay, chill out. We're just going to be in the elevator waiting for you, Nolan. Alright, I'm coming. Just going to put on this. Alright guys, let's go. Oh yeah, and in that video that I said I wasn't gonna post anymore was because I didn't want to re-upload this video yet. But yeah. Oh, oops. Come on, guys. Ugh. Only grab your keys and wallet. Alright, I will. Chill out. Chill out, hell no. Also, I forgot to mention, there will be some swearing now. But I'll just try to keep it down. Anyway. Come on guys, let's go out. What are you guys waiting for? Jesus, okay, chill out, man. Yeah, that was exactly what I was saying. Alright, let's go out to eat. After this video, then I'm going to not post anymore because my storage is literally max out. Seriously. Come on, Daddy. Also, I do not know why this is happening. You see what I mean? Bro, it's literally glitching out. Oops. Alright, come on. Hi. Why, hello. Can I just get a table for 4? Of course. Right over there. Thank you very much. Guys, come on. Right. Let's leave it. Alright. We'll just have to squeeze in. Anyway, I don't know what is on the ground, I guess. There's literally no room. That's alright. Just have a tomato sandwich. I just have a tomato sandwich. I'll just have a ham sandwich. And some of this. I'm just gonna take these. I literally don't like this. But whatever. Baguettes. That didn't work. Where did you go? What the is this? Let's just not talk about that ever again. But I do need some help on this. Oh, well, never mind. My storage doesn't get maxed out again. But anyway, it will soon be the end of this roleplay when I put them to sleep, you know? So, hope you guys understand. Anyway, bye-bye. I'll continue when I have actually the next part. So, bye guys.